Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Scorpio. So watch this video if you're a Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in. Check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, the link is in the description. So this is going to be from 23rd till the end of December, but time is fluid, so keep that in mind as well, and take it the way it resonates. Okay, now let's see first the general message for Scorpio, and then we'll go to your love messages. So give me the general message for Scorpio. What is happening in Scorpio's life these days? The Empress. Wow, Scorpio, this is really good. I see a lot of abundance around you. I see that you're taking charge of the situation and you're going to be in a very good position. I see some sort of money making opportunity coming in, to be very honest. So your finances look very, very sorted. I see that there could be two equally good opportunities that might come to you when it comes to money, career stability. And if you have been facing some sort of financial crunch for some time, I see that abundance is going to be all around you. So good times coming ahead. Next, I would say 2 to 3 months are very prominent for you when it comes to your career and stability. Things look really, really beautiful. Okay. I also see that there could be a new career opportunity coming in. So, like if you're looking for a job, so some of you that could be that. But if you're starting to expand your business, then that is also a possibility. Overall, for career and money, this is like a really good spread here. You know, what can you ask when you have the Ace of Pentacles, the Empress, and the Two of Pentacles? All the three cards very beautiful in your career, in your general spread. Actually, I also see a mother figure is going to be very important. So pay attention to women in your life, who, what advice they are giving into you, because it is going to help you immensely. Okay. I also see that if you are waiting for some sort of news to come in from like foreign country or from a distant land, so that is going to come in. So your ships are going to come in, and some sort of good news is going to come in. Okay. Also, if you have been battling some sort of legal battle and you are waiting for justice to be done to you, so I see justice is going to be done to you, provided you were the one who was right. Okay, so basically justice is going to be done. So whatever and whoever is correct is going to get the justice here. Okay. So yeah, like the year might have been a little rough for you, full of lessons and whatsoever, but I see that 2021 is ending with a bang for you, and I see whatever you have gone through, everything is basically being compensated by universe, and universe is compensating you heavily. Okay, what else for Scorpio? Five of Pentacles. See, exactly, I was saying this. So I see that last 5 months were not really good for you, or maybe since the month of May, things were not really good for you. But see, universe is compensating you in a very big way. I see that you were working on something and there was no news coming in, and things were just not moving, and still you kept on showing, and now universe is basically rewarding you. So that is really, really good. And I don't know, like this I'm like trying to see all the aspects, the general aspects, but here something very significant about career and money is highlighted. So yeah, like career and money wise, I see that you are sorted for next 2 to 3 months, Scorpio. So this is really beautiful. Okay, now let's see your love messages. Just get ready for some good family times, lot of emotional fulfillment for the holiday season. Basically, Scorpio, I see good times ahead. Now let's see your love messages. What is the present situation for love for Scorpio, please? The World card. This is good. What is the blockage for Scorpio in love? Three of Cups. What else for Scorpio in love? So the Star card. Okay, so I see that when it comes to love, again, things are looking really beautiful, but this is a very slow moving energy, so you might not see it right off the bat. I see that you are manifesting a connection. Some of you, you're manifesting a reunion, you're manifesting for a connection that is going to complete you. Okay, World card is a card of completion. So now you're looking forward to have somebody in your life who can just come and complete you. And I see that wish of yours is in the process, and universe is bringing in somebody in your life all right, and the seed has basically been sown, but things are going to turn out very slowly because star card, your incoming influence, is a slow card. So some of you need to be patient with the process. Okay, I see that you're very much focused to improve your love life, and you are actively taking steps. You have been manifesting a connection, and you're manifesting for a long-term connection. Okay, so you're not up for an affair, but some of you're looking for a be all end all and all of that. Your cards are really beautiful. So but the only thing here with these cards here is that the energy is very slow moving energy, so you need to be a little more patient. Okay, universe is going to grant you your wish, but things are going to happen very slowly and gradually over the time. So yeah, you need to have some patience. I see that you're trying to move things very quickly, so you are being a bit impatient and you want things to happen at your pace. Like you just want things to happen as and when you want them to happen, and when things are not happening on the time that you want, then you get disappointed. So some of you're just being asked to not try to hasten the process and go with the flow. Okay, don't try to speed up the process. Nature has its own course of action, and things happen at the right time. Divine timing is at play in your love life. You just need to be patient. Okay, whatever you are asking, I see a wish fulfillment here. Okay, you had been manifesting this connection, this relationship, and universe is granting it to you, but you just need to be a little more patient. Okay, universe is basically testing your patience is what I see. Okay, what happened in the recent past for Scorpio in their love life? Ace of Cups, there was a new beginning. Maybe somebody just triggered your emotions. So maybe they just expressed their emotions, and then this person might have ghosted you, or maybe this person is acting very distant, which is kind of making you impatient. But you don't have to be impatient. Okay, I see a very unexpected turn of events when it comes to your love life, and this unexpected turn of event is positive. So it's not a negative one, it's a positive one. Okay, if you are single, then I see you are not going to be single for a very long time. Very unexpectedly, I see somebody coming in and basically wooing you. But for most of you, I see that there was a person in your life who kind of invoked some sort of passion in you, and that now this person is maybe acting a bit distant, or you guys are just busy in your own life or whatever. But I see that things are going to turn around and things are going to become better once again. But again, some sort of delay is anticipated, so you need to be patient with the process. Okay, what else for Scorpio? Page of Cups. See, I see a lot of communication. I see somebody is going to confess their feelings to you. Some of you might be having more than one option, and because we have the 6 of Wands, so you are basically having some eyeballs on you, and one of them could be very significant, could be a fire sign or a water sign. Somebody is going to be very openly confessing their feelings to you, and then you can choose which way you want to go. Okay, I also see that you're trying to let go of some sort of toxic pattern from your life, because we had the World card and the Wheel of Fortune. So it's like with the year ending, with the 2021 ending, you are basically making your mind to release anything toxic that does not serve you, and you're trying to take control of your life. Okay, so it's like all this while your life has been basically here and there all over the place, and now you're trying to take control of your life. You're basically trying to balance your emotional side and intellectual side. You're just trying to pretty much control your own self so that you can control the outer circumstances, which is good. Okay, you're operating from a very strong standpoint is what I see. I also see some sort of travel which is going to bring in good news, or maybe somebody is going to come traveling from somewhere bringing in some sort of good news for you. So just look for that. What else for Scorpio? 7 of Cups. Again, see, so again, Scorpio, I see that you want things to happen very quickly, or you are just hoping to hear from somebody. This person is coming in, but this person is coming in a bit slow, so they are going to test your patience. You need to be just more patient with this person. I see that you and this person share a very strong bond, so you might be really good friends turning into relationship, or you guys just have a very, very rock solid bond. But I see that there is some sort of delay in this connection here, and the delay is basically testing your patience. So you need to calm your tits and sit down and don't lose your shit. Basically, with the 4 of Wands, again, I see some sort of commitment is on cards. So if you're looking forward to get married, or you're looking forward to like find the one for you, I see that is very, very close. Okay, and I also see some sort of new opportunity coming in when it comes to your career. See the Page of Pentacles. So some sort of good news. Maybe you wanted to start a new venture, or you were trying to buy a property, or you were just hoping to hear from some sort of like you might have applied for a job and you were waiting to hear from them. So I see a good news is going to come in. So yeah, like for your career, this looks like a really, really good time. I see that all of this is happening after a lot of chaos in your life. So maybe recently your life was really turned upside down, but the good thing is that it is ending on a very good note when it comes to the end of 2021. So this is good. Okay. Let us see this person's feelings towards you, Scorpio. Whoever you're dealing with, 7 of Swords. Okay, this person, okay, maybe something got revealed about this person. Some of you don't trust this person. You think this person ghosts you. So that is why, you are kind of losing your shit over them. As I said, but this person is, messed up in their own world. So you might think that they're cheating on you, but I see that whoever you're dealing with is kind of going through some sort of emotional turmoil. So that is why they are not showing up in your life, but you feel that this person is not trustworthy. And some of you, this person is kind of a game player kind of a thing. I see something is going to be revealed about this person, but it's not something that it's very toxic or something, but maybe you'll just get to know that this person was having their own issues and maybe that is why they were not showing up in your life. So yeah, like just keep an eye that something is going to be revealed about the person that you're dealing with. It could be an air sign or an earth sign that you're dealing with. Okay, Temperance again. So I see that you need, again, that this reading is screaming patience. I see this reading, the universe is basically asking you to have some patience in the moment. Whatever you are experimenting or whatever you're trying to do is going to work out, but you just need to be a little more patient. But I see that you have been working hard for such a long time that you are kind of doubting whether this is going to happen or not. Like how sometimes when we work really, really hard for a very long time and when we don't see results, we kind of start getting frightened in the situation. We start losing our shit. We become anxious. So your message is that you're very close to the success. Do not give up just before you hit it, okay? Surrender to the process and do not burn out. When you feel tired, take rest. Do not give up, okay? And I see somebody is going to open up to you, like a communication is coming in. However, the communication is coming in with a little delay, so have patience again. Okay, I see you are not having patience. See, you are just overestimating the situation and you're trying to think that the situation is very messy, but it is not as much messy. I see this person, whoever you're dealing with, they also have feelings for you and they're going to communicate that very soon to you. Like they're going to communicate very soon, but the stability and all of this is going to take some time, okay? So that is what I see. 2 of Swords. Somebody was not making a decision about you and then you started pulling back. So I see that you're kind of not trusting this person with it because you feel that they always do it. So you might be having a hard time trusting this person. However, I see this person is coming in to communicate with you. Some of you, you really made up your mind that you're going to put this to an end, but secretly you also wanted to hear from this person, so it is coming in. I see next 2 weeks to 2 months could be significant. Also, you have more than one option. Like if you don't really know that, then let me tell you, you have more than one option. Ace of Cups. Just make sure that you don't feel emotionally depleted, because I see that you're trying to take things very personally. When things are happening with a delay, you're just trying to make it mean about you. Like you're just trying to tell you that, okay, maybe I am not good, that's why this person is not reaching out, or maybe I am this or I am that. Don't make it mean anything about you. As I said, this person in their life, they are going through something which is taking time, and you will get to know why this person was taking so much of time, okay? And it has nothing to do with you. This person is just asking for some time from you, and I see they are going to appear in your life at the right time. For now, you just enjoy the abundance that is coming in, the opportunities that are coming into your life. So you just try to enjoy them, okay? And enjoy the family time. I see that you're going to spend some good family time, which is going to bring a lot of emotional stability. I'm scared of a connection because of my past experiences. See, as I said, some of you, you're dealing with somebody who has some sort of past baggage from their connection. So that is why, they kind of bring that trauma into this connection as well. So that is why this person is taking a lot of time. As I said, you think that this person ghosted you, or you think this person is not trustworthy, but the problem is that this person has some sort of emotional trauma that they carry from their past connection, because of which they take their sweet time to come towards you. So yeah, you are kind of you're kind of wrong about this situation, is what I would say. You are overestimating the situation, or you are not estimating it correctly, is what I would say. Why am I fumbling so much? Give me a message for Scorpio. I can't think straight. See, So some of you are dealing with somebody who just can't think straight, and that is because they have gone through a lot of trauma in their life. So they need to sort their shit before they can come to you. I'm sorry. This person wants to say sorry. They regret how they ghosted you. I got scared and built a wall around me so that I don't get hurt. I'm telling you, like, you're dealing with somebody. Will you marry me? They want to marry you, but this person, they have some sort of emotional trauma, emotional baggage because of their past, which kind of stops them from coming towards you fully. Like, every time they try to come towards you, they get scared and then they pull back. Okay, so you need to be more patient with this person. Give them some time to heal so that they can come towards you healed. Okay, getting to know each other. See, as I said, you're going to get to know something about this person. Maybe you'll get to know that this person was having all this trauma and all of that. So I see some open, honest communication, or you're just going to hear from somewhere, or maybe you'll just read something. I don't know. You'll get to know that this person was also going through something very messy in their life, because of which they were taking all the time. Okay, and as I said, you have been manifesting a relationship, a commitment, and I see your prayers are answered. Let your friends help you and keep an open mind. So some of you, your friends, this person is going to reach out to your friends. They might take help of your friends or family to come towards you, and you are being asked to keep an open mind and be patient with this person. It is safe for you to laugh, and some of you, this person is a soulmate. So yeah, this person does not seem toxic, you know. I just see that they have some issues from the past. And if this reading is not resonating, and you know for sure that your person has problem and this person is toxic or they're an abuser, then don't try to fit your ass in this reading, okay? This is not for you. Just understand that. This is for people who are dealing with somebody who's going through some sort of trauma, and that is why they're not showing up fully in this Scorpio's life, okay? And this person is not toxic. But if you for sure know that your person is a toxic person, don't fit your ass in this reading, okay? So yeah, wishing you all a very happy holiday season. I will see you very soon in your next reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. You guys take care, stay safe, bye.